Guys, let's talk fact, not noise. Now, when you are training and developing AI language models, priorities are usually given to two major indicators. Indicator one, languages that has a larger speaker base. Indicator two, languages that has the richest digital data available. So now let's rank the languages in the country according to these two key major matrices and based on figures available. Number one is the Akan language with predominantly 9.1 million native speakers and already translated on Google Translate. So the digital footprint is available, the size is there. Number two is the Ewe language, 3.8 million native speakers, also featured on Google Translate. Number three is the Abrong or Bono language, which is spoken by 1.2 million natives and also predominantly by some Eastern Cote d'Ivoire. But unfortunately, it doesn't have any digital footprint. It is not on Google Translate. The fourth language is the Ga language, which is spoken by 1.1 million native, also featured on Google Translate. Then the fifth one is the Dagbani language, which is also spoken by 1 million natives, but unfortunately, it is not on Google Translate. So there is no digital footprint. So especially when you have Google as a technical partner, because when you look at the project, it's saying Google, University of Ghana, and GDI are the collaborators. So when you have Google as a technical partner, you want to use languages that already have the digital footprint and the size for your piloting. So the same way you couldn't add Bono, that's the same way you shouldn't have added the Bali language. Now, when I say digital data available, what do I mean by digital data available? I mean digital data because we want languages that have one, a larger corpora. We want languages that have two, a speech data set already existing. We want languages that have three, unlimited text source. That is going to help the AI training in terms of voice recognition and natural language processing. Is going to make it more faster, cheaper, and accurate. So in the same way you couldn't put the Bono language, you shouldn't have added the Dagbani language. The Dagbani language shouldn't have been a priority during the piloting. You could have added it during data collection and fine-tuning because it is a low-resource language. But here we are. Nice idea, discriminatory language selection. $37 million for this project. We thought we would see a rollout approach that is going to incorporate high resource languages that can help bootstrap the models and not languages that doesn't have any digital footprint. So, Mr. Minister, the Dagbani language shouldn't have been there simply because there was no machine learning pipelines. You see, it is about building capacity step by step and not through tribal competition. Hashtag YPGG, hashtag Youth for Proper Governance Ghana, and hashtag Hope in Action. If today is your first time here, kindly click the follow button, like, leave a comment, repost, and share with other social reformers.